Here's the secret to making a draped headpiece that's perfect for decorating the back of your hair. To make a pearl decoration for this hair accessory, you'll need these materials. To start, cut about 1 meter of wire. To find the middle, bend it in half. Add a 4 mm pearl and slide it where you just bent it. Start turning it around until you have formed about 2.5 centimeters of twisted wire. Form a loop. Separate the two wires and place the bead between them. Twist the wires a couple of times, encasing the bead. This loop will be used to attach the headpiece on your hair and to attach some of the draped chains to it. To make the loop round, use something cylindrical like a pen to shape it. Now I'll show you how to create a pretty pattern with some pearls. Separate the two wires. Add an 8 mm pearl on one of the wires and 3 4 mm pearls on the other. Slide them down right to the base of the loop you just created. Put a spacer bead on the wire in your right hand. Thread the other wire in your left hand through the same bead. Then start pulling the wires through until you reach the beads you just added. Keep tucking the wire to make sure there are no spaces between the beads. Now continue by adding another 8 mm pearl and 3 4 mm pearls on the wires, but add them on the opposite sides than before. Add a spacer bead. Keep repeating this same pattern until you have used 4 8 mm pearls. Now to make the headpiece wider. Increase the size of the pearl to a 10 mm instead of the 8 mm and add 4 4 mm pearl beads on the other wire to fill in the space the larger pearl creates. Add a spacer bead. Continue repeating this pattern until you've added 4 10 mm pearls. Now add a 12mm pearl with 5 4mm pearls to the wires. This will be the center of this headpiece. Now repeat the pattern on the other side of the 12mm pearl. So that's 4 10mm pearl decorations, followed by 4 8mm pearl decorations. Now you'll need to make another loop at this end. Measure 3 centimeters and bend the wire there. Add a 4mm pearl and slide it where you just bent it. Turn the bead around, forming twisted wire all the way to the end of the decorations. Form a loop. Take the end of the wire and put it through the small space beneath the pearl. Wrap the wire ends around the pearl decoration and cut off any excess wire. To make sure there are no sharp edges, press the ends down with your chain nose pliers. Here's how the headpiece looks so far. It measures about 23 centimeters in length. Now, let's add some draped chains to the hair accessory. You'll need silver-plated chain for them. We're going to decorate it with tiny pearl drops. To make the drops, I'm using this one-step looper that creates loops super fast and in an easy way. It's an amazing tool for jewellery makers. Alternatively, you can use some round nose pliers and side cutters to make your own loops. To begin, cut 4 pieces of chain. One 30cm long piece. Then a 17cm piece of chain. And finally, 2 13cm long pieces. Now let's decorate the chain with some tiny oval pearl drops. To make them, you'll need some ball head pins and beads. I added a pearl drop between each ball decoration on the chains. Slide the pearl on the head pin. Put the head pin through the one-step looper. Press the handles together and the mechanism will form a loop just above the pearl. As mentioned, you can do the same using pliers. I like to use chain nose pliers to bend the wire down just above the bead. Then take your round nose pliers and form a loop by wrapping the head pin around it. And finally, cut the excess wire off with the side cutters. I needed 18 of these pearl drops to decorate the chains. Now let's attach them. Find the middle spot between each ball decoration. Take the pearl drop. Using your chain nose pliers, open the loop by twisting it towards you. Put the loop through the middle link on the chain. Close the loop on the pearl drop. Repeat this with all the pearl drops to decorate the chains. Continue by attaching all the chains to the main pearl decoration to create a draped effect. To do that, you'll need some 5 and 7 mm jump rings. Jump rings are used in jewellery making to connect two components together. Take 2 pairs of chain nose pliers and a 5 mm jump ring. Make sure that the opening of your jump ring is facing upwards and hold it on both sides with your pliers. Then twist one of the pliers away from you and the other one towards you. This opens the jump ring without distorting the round shape. Now take the jump ring and slide it on the end of the shortest chain, and then the loop on the pearl decoration that you want to connect it to. And finally, close the jump ring by using the same twisting motion with your pliers to get the ends of it to meet. Continue by connecting the other end of the chain to the center of the pearl decoration. You'll need a larger 7 mm jump ring to do that. Use the same technique to open the jump ring. Connect it to the other end of the chain. Then take the other short 13 cm piece of chain and slide one end of it on the jump ring so that you can connect both chains to the center. Put the jump ring through the pearl decoration and then close it. Connect the end of the second chain to the other loop using a 5 mm jump ring. Now take the 17 cm long chain and connect the ends to the pearl decoration at the points where you have your first 10 mm pearls. Use the 7 mm jump rings for this connection. Finally, let's connect the longest 30 cm chain to the loops at the ends. Use 5 mm jump rings to connect them. And there you have it, a pretty draped headpiece made from pearls and silver chains. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.